Article 3 Bill of Attainder. All section. Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the law. Section 2. The right of the people to be secure in their person, houses, papers, and effect against unreasonable searches and seizures shall be inviolable. Section 3. The privacy of communications of respondents shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court, or when the public safety or order requires otherwise. Section 4. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expressions, or of the right of the people peaceable to assemble and petitions the government redress of grievances. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting an established of religion or prohibiting the free exercise of religion, the free exercise thereof, the free exercise and enjoyment of religious professions, and working without discriminations or preferences shall forever be allowed. Section 6. The liberty of abandon and of changing the same without the limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired. Section 7. The right of people to informations of or missions on matters of public concern shall be recognized. Section 8. The right of the people to form unions, associations, or societies for purposes not contrary to law shall not be abridged. Section 9. Private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensation. Section 10. No law impairing the obligations of contracts shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to the courts and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by the reasons of poverty. Section 12. Any person under investigations for the commission of an offense shall have the right to remain silent and to have competent and independent counsel. Section 13. No person except those charged with offense punishable by reclusion perpetua shall be bailable by sufficient sureties. Section 14. No person shall be held to answer for criminal offense without due process of law. Section 15. The privilege of the right of habeas corpus shall not be suspended except in cases of invasions of rebellion. Section 16. No person shall have the right to speedy dispositions of their cases. Section 17. No person shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. Section 18. No person shall be denied. Section 18. No person shall be detained solely by reasons of his political beliefs and aspirations. Section 20. No. Section 19. Excessive fines shall not be imposed nor cruel, degrading or inhuman punishment inflicted. Section 20. No person shall be imprisoned for debt or non-imprisoned debt or non-payment of a poll tax. Section 21. No person shall be twice put in jeopardy of punishment for the same offense. Section 22. No ex post facto law or bill of attainder shall be enacted.